How to get rich in 2023. Getting rich is a multifaceted process that requires a combination of hard work, smart decision-making, and luck. Here are some general steps that can help you increase your wealth. 1. Start by creating a budget and saving a portion of your income each month. 2. Invest in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. 3. Consider starting a side hustle or entrepreneurship venture to supplement your income. 4. Focus on paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, personal loans, and other forms of consumer debt. 5. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and the economy to make informed decisions. Remember, getting rich takes time and persistence, and there are no guaranteed paths to financial success. It's important to have realistic expectations and not make impulsive decisions based on get-rich-quick schemes or market speculation. 6. Consider purchasing assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. 7. Network and build relationships with successful people in your industry or area of interest. 8. Seek out opportunities for career growth and consider taking on new responsibilities or seeking a higher-paying job. 9. Minimize unnecessary expenses and avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. 10. Be disciplined and avoid impulsive purchases, and instead focus on saving and investing for the long term. 11. Consider seeking the help of a financial advisor, especially if you are new to investing or need help creating a personalized financial plan. Remember, becoming wealthy is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to have a long-term mindset, stay disciplined, and continuously make smart financial decisions. 12. Make the most of compound interest by starting to save and invest as early as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. 13. Consider alternative investments, such as real estate, precious metals, or art to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. 14. Consider purchasing undervalued assets and holding on to them for the long term, as they have the potential to appreciate in value over time. 15. Continuously monitor your investments and be prepared to make adjustments as needed, but avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 16. Cultivate a strong work ethic, be persistent, and have a growth mindset. Successful people often attribute their wealth to hard work and determination. 17. Lastly, be mindful of your spending and avoid over-leveraging yourself with debt. Live below your means and focus on building wealth over time. Remember, building wealth is a gradual process that requires patience, discipline, and smart decision-making. There are no shortcuts or guarantees, so it's important to be mindful of your actions and stay focused on your long-term financial goals. 18. Consider automating your savings and investments by setting up a direct deposit or using a robo-advisor service. 19. Seek out low-cost, tax-advantaged investment opportunities such as a 401k or IRA. 20. Take calculated risks and be willing to try new things, such as starting a business, investing in startups, or pursuing new career opportunities. 21. Surround yourself with supportive people who have similar goals and values, and seek guidance from mentors who have successfully navigated similar paths. 22. Be mindful of taxes and consider seeking the advice of a tax professional to minimize your tax liability. 23. Continuously seek out new opportunities for growth and learning, both personally and professionally. 24. Stay disciplined and avoid overextending yourself financially. Maintaining a healthy relationship with money requires balance and moderation. Remember, getting rich requires a combination of smart financial decision-making, hard work, and persistence. It's important to have a long-term perspective and continuously seek out new opportunities for growth and learning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on future content. Until next time, goodbye.